You say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna eat Oreo.
Yeah, what flavor is that?
Orange. But there's no seeds here because I don't see it. Orange.
What? Yummy?
Yummy. Yeah. Yeah.
Sour?
Yeah, yummy. But if I put sour candy here, it would taste nothing.
It's melting, rocks.
Mine is
You eat a
not.
little bit faster. It's melting.
Magic.
It's okay.
Mine not.
Like that, you know?
Look.
Take a bite. Not. It will melt more rocks if you keep on licking. Take a bite.
It's like juice. Oh, there.
Rocks, look at here. Oh, and Mama is taking video. Why you? Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Flying kiss. Yeah.
Mm.